Reduce the use of digital screen in the dark. Lights on, please. Here, please. I'm sure you didn't see that coming. Spending so much time on digital screens reduces the sharpness of your vision. It causes eye strain, headache, dry and itchy eyes, double and blurry vision, even shoulder and neck pains. Digital screens exposes the eyes to oxidative stress, and we have antioxidants that actually fight off this oxidative stress, just like the lutein, zeaxanthin, and the master antioxidant being produced by the body, glutathione. As we grow older, the production of these antioxidants in the body reduces gradually. Hence, the need for you to care for your eyes by using Nature's Field Eyecap, which is rich in glutathione, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Nature's Field Eyecap is available in retail pharmacies near you, or you can visit www.naturesfieldng.com.